Go ahead and get all of them up on there. Look at you. Hold on.
Alright, he's gonna eat
You want
these
two
peppers.
cameras? Go ahead and get 6. Let's make this a bet. Let's go,
Devin
baby.
is going to eat
Let's get
these.
legit.
Let's do this.
Why am I gonna eat it for no profit? I'm gonna eat them, but I'm not getting no
Are you paying
profit.
for that food?
Brother. Come on, do it, do it. Oh!
Chew it up, baby. Chew it up. Mm-hmm. How those going?
Look how red he's doing it, oh my god. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, quickly.
Holy shit. Nice, dude.
Eat some rice. He can't do it. He can't do it.
You can't swallow them? Fuck.
Dude,
Hell
I will
no.
up you, bro. I'm gonna up you right now.
My throat is on fire.
I give him props because at least he chewed them.
I'm gonna up you and swallow.